Abusia mpenifo say if you can't beat them, join them. Me no ka say de Dr. Bawumia ankasa ehwe se de agro no asia kona otimu se baabia duru no de obetimi aya ne se the listing a obetimi aya ne se obeya hohyehe ewo John Mahama aside the obetimi aya ne so de ne ho ebehyehe John Mahama what ase yes na John Mahama akoni mobo ewo chese system ne mu me no ka say de was sending message e de ama JDM na aside message a was send ama no ene fra wa frɛ no congratulating no was also asheda aye video e de ama John Mahama achese busia Dr. Bawumia chese bibia achese wahu de said the no message kan kono wo pe John Mahama adamfo an defeat ni de wagye atum but sesia no ase wo pe John Mahama adamfo wo se wono yobi a wono no oyasumdwe person to the extent say baby ekonom eye yi no eye na wo pe na wonim eye Captain Martin so edi esum edi assembly anto JDM anim wo wonim Captain Smart ehwehwe ne mu hini eye ya na chese wo ye ne ho se wo dwen Ghana fo ho ama nso oboa odwini botom atiase enenye ono nko a John Mahama adwini botom Dr. Bawumia adwini botom Nanado adwini botom me dwini botom odwini botom obi adwini botom atiase yes na abusia wodi esum edi assembly to JDM anim na mepamcho yeni kan enkohwe ahohyehye Dr. Bawumia oye yebeba behwe de ekoso nyina aye Captain Smart onu so de wodi esu kan che JDM
election results that former president indicate excellency that former president Mahama has won the presidential election decisively. The NDC has also won the parliamentary election, even though we await final collation for a number of seats. However, I believe ultimately that these will not change the overall outcome. I have just called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to congratulate him as President-elect of the Republic of Ghana. I said during the signing of the Peace Pact that I was sure of two things. Ghana will win and peace will reign. The people of Ghana have spoken. The people have voted for change.
Na said ye Bawumi sorry said ye Samira anim eye kire se ase bibia nsi ba lady wo hopa wo eye Samira Bawumia nanim fefefefefe anobekwa ko hye damasu said ye musika ne de omonya biwei ono na aka kire ne kunu se send the message farmer mine said ye be ya obetena so a wo meye ne ho se wo be ka ya adwin bie na wo be prosecute ye ayeye ho ya ho ade congratulate no ene no nya damfo when ojidie se saadie Dr. Bawumia ye nyina even easy embobo abana busia ono a ebobo eyi Mahama se busia president no ojidie se Samira Bawumia esha lakosha achiri otase
at this time, and we respect that decision with all humility. I thank God Almighty for how far He has brought me, and I submit to His will. I am making this concession speech before the official announcement by the Electoral Commission to avoid further tension and preserve the peace of our country. It is important that the world investor community continues to believe in the peaceful and democratic character of Ghana. These are our most important assets. Ghana is more important than our individual political ambitions, and we must always put Ghana first. While this was not our desired outcome, I say this is part of the democratic process. We put our best foot forward in the contest, explaining our policies and programs. However, it is sometimes the case that the voter would have other ideas. I am very proud of the efforts of our campaign team, and I thank them very much.
Abusia eya semu entisesi an mamifa wincham agrada obeye ne ho dan bosu kina yamu it is possible yamu and so far all congratulate JDM na kire sagrada any efia wodo omwa ye omo nipa bia babia enkuguo ekono ehonum enomumienu egada omo ho so ye dan ekogu utimu se omumienu eye something which is there say no mu one this you all this war demonstration bi ebekoso ene enwa de bi ebekoso bi ade efia wodo criticize MPP agrada nso de ebekoso bi na wota NDC achi yebetu abeya yenim de asi omumienu se 1PP ene sebusuya MPP no omwo no it is possible no it is possible na mu congratulate achinye no na kire sebusuya ayeka yes sesia no mu amopesa nka wokokon ntokwa no wankokon or congratulating nti wa ko pia obetimi akokon what ase yes same tokwa de enye nipa ba ko na was starting.
I assure His Excellency John Dramani Mahama of my full support in the transition process. As committed Democrats, we pledge to ensure that we have a very smooth transition so that the business of government will continue seamlessly.
Unim won say Samira was seriously onim say jina moyi JDM wo meyehwe mensumi nimpefe se wo meyehwe wonsu wonim se wo meyehwe an de wo ye no emre bi atwamu a moto abatia no bibiribe no saa de na wo san be ye den ebeye yanhwe yi a ye kasa ikua no dum so ebeye den ebebe nti wonim say next 4 years JDM NDC ho ebefuno Ghana for menso menim pefe pa because sendru 4 years no na de Ghana for fam ene enwade ade no enti anhwe ye change ebetimi aba ama NPP aiden aba so de yan sendi kunu no eba we ni flag bearer say eduru kono mu a menso me wuni say eduru kono mu ebe ye din e de mani kunu ne so betimi awe ni flag bearer because Kennedy Japan ewi a this year kra no wunia amfa ni cheap.
The MPP would offer the needed support to the new government in a very responsible way. Ladies and gentlemen, we have conceded defeat like any consummate Democrat would do, but we have not abandoned the fight to transform Ghana and expand opportunities to all sections of our society. We will not be a disruptive opposition, even though we would subject government actions and policies to strict scrutiny in the interest of our beloved nation.
Nabusia unim say JDM elusi last 4 years. I will lose ya busia will lose ye no. JDM antumi an congratulating anado de besine ameno ka say anyi wanye. And I just say, I know I can see what they take on no son because on himself and Nado, Awiano says, I was wawin no what we are another now. Umiano, I was young, Mr. Ramo said JDM, and I say Dr. Bogumia, what didn't know as she said JDM now congratulating no, say Adanya or Buano, I want the transition and young one the other, or maybe be a smooth and young one the other no. Yentie de ye kan
ba o mi esi akonya so
yentie de akwabi nso kan do kasiye na me say
ba o mi esi akonya so asam ne ko Supreme Court me say ya the case ba o mi awani a NDC fund just said that asam ne will go to Supreme Court me say no that odi for bia so ba we but me say me de no de ba mo je di say asam na me kan ye no credit say so mo we ni a asam ne o mo ntiase asam ne ko Supreme Court but enkosiaga ya declare final declaration was sumarie enkosiaga
umani ma mani
Ausia boys insu chire biyo boys insu ichire bi ankasa wa bra even mpanifo kura efo mo adwe no adanya ade ndie wo na wo hyekwa yi wo
ye nyina na ye ti dwaben ene MPP house si ha ene soundboard si ha adoche ni abaya obi abepamu osoro na firi ade ni mo pre soundboard no osoro a wo hyem no obi abepamu na firi mu minim sande si fo na abepamu no sanso obi na abeyi akokuna wio se o makoton no enti asramo o makoton no boy bloody why yeah check colors MPP breaking the 8 is coming live and no breaking the 8 in there but now so osoro ba ko pa ogina ha obi abetu osoro no obi apamo no he edan nso achi nwura kakra ho na je minim se dan nim ho de anti minim nua ya be jan ya agency akwarehwe ya hu a ndisi for ya be je afiri mu ho efisi ya be break 8 na ya mo ya no mabepamo osoro ne de ya osoro de oye de ya kukurudu eshi o ha
abusia kukurudu ohwe soundboard ne kra na utimu se eye na na adomu de ne bi what ase yes time na wo moto no eye minim se sana still da so etie dia abusia so far we ane die eye den echegu a kire se unim Captain Smart and someone wo yemfa nsha dakam na yenhwe no ewo our next video emu ahase amazing TV mamemfa wo ensi ahase ye